Hello guys, can you use Filament if you already have authentication with something like Laravel, Jetstream or Breeze? I will show you how in this video. And this is based on a comment on my main channel Laravel Daily, where I demonstrated Filament, and the question was, project is live or Jetstream already with login area, can I use Filament to manage specific section of admin area? And actually, it's very simple. So here's an example Laravel 12 project with Jetstream installed. And if we register, I will use fake filler Chrome extension. We register a typical dashboard of Jetstream. But then here you see a link called Filament panel. When we click that link, we land on Filament dashboard. And then you can create something just inside of Filament. And then there's a link back to Jetstream, which just gets you back outside of Filament. And in the code, there's actually not much to change in the logic, it's just the menu items. So in the Filament admin panel provider, we add navigation item back to Jetstream to the URL of dashboard, which is dashboard of Jetstream. And then on Jetstream side, there's a file called navigation menu blade, where we just add xnav link, which is blade component used in Jetstream, to the link dashboard get URL of Filament. That's it basically, the links between each other. Of course, in Filament, you need to make sure to have this function in your user model, can access panel. By default, it doesn't exist, but in this case, specifically for example, Jetstream or Breeze and Filament, you totally need to provide the logic who can access panel, which user role or which condition or whatever is the logic of who can access Filament panel if they land via the link from Jetstream. But basically, that's it. There's no restriction to use Filament on top of any authentication based on Laravel, because Filament uses the same user model, the same authentication mechanism. So if you built already login register forms outside of Filament, the same logged in users would be automatically logged in to Filament. And yeah, it's good to be back on this second channel, Filament Daily. I was too busy with my main one, Laravel Daily. I will try to find more time for this one. If you have any topics in mind or ideas, shoot them in the comments below. That's it for this time, and see you guys in other videos.